Let me teach you how to solve this question on logarithm. Okay, solve the equation in this logarithmic equation. So what should we do? Look at the base. Here, base is base 10, and here is log base 10. Okay, and since they have the same base, all we just need to do is minus. We change to division. So we have log x squared plus 9, you keep it, base 10. Now, this minus will be division, but we have to remove this 2 first. You have log x squared. If 2 should move, it becomes log x squared base 10 equal to 1. And 1 we know is log 10 base 10. So, for us to move these two, remember we have that log a squared b is equal to 2 log ab. So that is exactly what happened here. If you move this back, you get log a squared, just like log x squared base 10. So now this minus will take a very good shape. Log x squared plus 9. Minus is now division. Divide x squared. We have same base, so we can leave this way, equal to log 10 base 10. Now we can be able to say this log 10 can cancel out log 10. Okay? Log base 10 can cancel out log base 10. And we now have x squared plus 9 over x squared is equal to 10. So that we cross and multiply, we have x squared plus 9 is equal to 10x squared. Okay? So from here, we can collect like terms and say x squared minus 10x squared is equal to minus 9. So x squared minus 10x squared is minus 9x squared. Okay? Which is minus 9. Now, we divide both sides by minus 9. This cancels this. This cancels this. We have x squared is equal to 1. This is not our solution. If this is your first time of seeing my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, back to the question. It says solve the equation. We are looking for x. Now, x squared is equal to 1. But x is 2 values because x raised to 2 is not 1 value but 2 values. So take the square root of both sides. We have square root of 1. And when we talk about square root, it's plus or minus. So that when I say x is equal to square root of 1 is 1. So plus 1 or minus 1. So that is the final solution. Okay? That's the final solution. If you put 1 here, okay, you get your answer. If you put minus 1 here, you get your answer. So let us check and see what we get. To check, we have log 1 squared is 1 plus 9 is 10 minus 2 log 1 is 10. Okay, so 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So log 10 base 10. And log 1, remember log 1 is equal to 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So everything here will roll out to be 0. So log 10 base 10 is equal to 1, which is correct. 1 is the answer here.